Hi, it's your girl Sweet Unique, and today I'm back with another video. And today I'm here to share with you how I twist out my natural hair to get sweet curls. So keep tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Keep watching. So what I'm actually doing, I've just washed my hair. My hair is not completely dry. I don't blow it out or anything. And I'm using my Blue Magic hair oil to twist my hair up. So I'm just oiling my hair root and I'm using it as a base to rub it all over my hair to twist my hair with it to see the curls that I will get from using my Blue Magic to twist my hair up. And my hair is damp because I just washed it, so it's damp right now. So I'm twisting my damp hair right now. So keep tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is it, how it looks when it's finished twist, and I'm all done twisting, and it's still not dry because it's still damp, but it will dry over time. This is the next morning. What I did actually a while ago was use a little bit of oil on my fingers to pull out my twist, which that was so unnecessary because there's so much oil in my hair already. My hair root is very oily and my whole hair is very oily, so I didn't have to use oil to pull out these twists. That was just so unnecessary. I maybe wasn't thinking at the time, but true, I'm just used to using oil on my fingers to pull out my twists, so that's why I did that. But it wasn't necessary to pull out this twist because it was already oiled the twists, so it was so unnecessary. So please don't judge me, so keep watching. So this is how the curls turned out. I know the curls were going to turn out fine, but look at those curls. I'm so loving these curls right now. I'm so loving these curls. You can see just by the expression on my face, these curls are very nice. And I'm just brushing in the front right now. I really like these curls a lot. They're very nice and they turned out better than I expected. So that's how they turned out, and I'm really loving the style right now. That's how it looked. And thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Love you all. In a time like this, stay safe. Bye bye.